Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the town of May Pen, and we are now going on to Main Street. On the right you have one of three Juicy Patties locations in Jamaica. On the left is the police station. This is the actual town center of May Pen now. And straight ahead you'll notice a clock, which is symbolic of all the main towns in Jamaica. They all have this English looking clock. Okay, so this road now is very busy. It has a lot of supermarkets, wholesales, basically stores. And as it's a town center, you're going to find a lot of taxis and buses, because May Pen is a major transportation hub. It's the busiest town in Clarendon. As you can see, a lot of activity going on. Now when we get to this part of Main Street, it's a one-way to help with the flow of traffic. And as you can see, almost every store on the left or the right is some sort of supermarket or haberdashery. See a lot of activity going on in the town. May Pen is also where it's not only a major shopping hub for Clarendon, it's also where you're going to find all the banks, and it's also the major transportation hub. So this is where you can get buses and taxis to go anywhere in Jamaica. On the left is Bargain Village, which is the largest mall in May Pen, probably Clarendon on a whole. On the left is the NCB branch, on the right is the Scotia Bank branch. On the left is Jamaica National. Basically all the major banks have branches in May Pen. So straight ahead now is where Main Street intersects with Manchester Avenue, and Manchester Avenue will take us to Glenmuir Drive, which will take us out of May Pen. So Main Street is a one-way, so if you're coming up from Manchester Avenue, you have to turn right here and go around to get back to the bottom end of Main Street where you have the clock. On the left now is another Juicy Patty location. This is actually the largest one in the town of May Pen. Now Juicy Patties, they are this largest patty company in Jamaica, but they started after Tasty, but they started in the country or towns like May Pen that didn't have a Tasty Patty location. Not even sure if they have one now. If anybody knows if there's a Tasty Patty location in May Pen, you can let us know. But so Juicy Patties started in these country locations, and they grew and grew and grew, and they have more locations than Tasty Patties. Their head office, Juicy Patty's head office, is actually in Clarendon Park, right on the outskirts of Clarendon and Manchester. Alright, so at this intersection now, Manchester Avenue intersects Glenmuir Drive. If we go straight, we stay on Manchester Avenue and drive through another part of May Pen. If we turn left, we take Glenmuir Drive out to the main road and access the May Pen bypass. And if we turn right, we'd head towards the Chapelton area. So we're going to go straight and continue the tour through May Pen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.